Hello. It's storming outside and we have chances of tornado and hail, so I decided to make a video. Yep, smartest idea ever. Not really. Meow. I'll even open the door a little bit here. Woo! Did you hear that? Back in here. So yeah, I just decided that it would be the smartest idea in the world to make a video because it's storming. Probably the stupidest idea ever, considering its high chance of lightning. But my Skype is down, so I guess it's the next best thing that I can do. It's already flooded once, and this camera makes it look peachier than it actually is, too. It is quite beautiful, though. I don't know about you, but I love the rain. And if I could take this outside without getting shocked by lightning, I definitely would. But I don't feel like dying right now. So, I guess that's it. I'll make a lot of videos right now because my Skype is down and our power's probably going to go out. So, my laptop, it lasts an hour before the battery goes out, so I can make quite a few before that happens. So, that's Tennessee Thunderstorm.